So before I start this video, I want to tell you, thank you for being here, supporting my channel. It is a very, very small channel. Second, please go subscribe if you haven't done it yet. It is free, it is fun. Here is just for positive vibes. If you are not coming for positive vibes, then this is not the channel for you. Ooh. Girl. Anyways, so yeah, go ahead and subscribe, leave me a thumbs up at the end of the video. Watch the whole thing, because if you give me a thumbs up at the beginning, you're not really helping. You know what I mean? Spam liking. So anyways, just watch the video, enjoy it. I'm going to try to make it as fun as possible. That's my personality. So it is what it is. But anyways, so I am going to be trying out this contact lenses I got. Now I actually have a discount code for you guys for Ttdeye. It's actually my first discount code. I'm so happy, girl. Yeah, so it's a 10% discount if you type in Made in Hell 83. That's me, Mary Made in Hell, but Made in Hell 83 is my discount code. I'm going to put it right here. Anyway, so you can check out with that discount code and you get that 10% off, and you'll be helping a girl out because you get a discount and I get free stuff. I mean, win-win. So anyways, today I'm actually wearing ones from a previous order I had, which are like natural green. I will put the link below, but these ones are not the ones that I'm going to be talking about today. I have another video. I'm going to try to put the link somewhere here. If not, I'll just put it on the, I'll just put it on my description box, the link for that video, so you can go ahead and watch it. It's another, box of contact lenses that I had ordered. Anyway, so today, this is the box they came in. This is a different box from what the first boxes I've got. So it's kind of cute. It's a different box. My phone keeps bugging. Anyways, stop messaging me, whoever you are. Anyway, so this is the box I got it. I got 3 pairs. And they're actually pretty cool. I'm going to go ahead and try them on. But I'm going to show you how, the packaging and everything is. Now, like I said, I did get them a while ago, and they do have all the information on this little thingy. Yeah, this little paper right here that says Ttdeye and hello. They bring a lot of stuff, stickers, a mirror. It's super cute. Now the thing is that because contact lenses, they come in this liquid, this solution inside of the little pouch. They all come inside this, very sanitized, very clean. Once you open it, you have to put it in a little case that they bring, which is something like this. That brings the little tweezers with the little rubber tip, so you can put the contacts on the little sucky thingy where you pop it in there in your eyes. But because you have to take them out of there, leave them for more than 8 hours, that's why the little boxes are not in this box. So just giving you the heads up of what. So when you get the mirror, it's a really cute mirror, really small. Last time I got contacts lenses, oh, the mirror was broken, so hopefully this one's not broken. You get some tattoos, which I really think these are just transferable tattoos. They're cute, but whatever. You get the little description. See, I'm always dropping stuff. You get a little description, little carton thing, and then you get some stickers. The stickers are actually pretty cute. I like those. So they comes like this. They usually bring this little, they look like little glitters for like your nails. I mean, it's a cute extra, and they're different from the other ones that I've got. So, hey, who knows? I might use them on my nails. So this is the box, empty box. I'm going to throw it here in the trash. So these are the ones that I got. I got and I'm sorry if you can hear my dogs and the neighbor's dogs. They're going crazy. So I got Awakened Demon Yellow. I got Hulk Green. And I also got Glacier Blue. So the first thing I'm going to do is take this one's off, and I'm going to go ahead and try the first one, which is Awakened Demon. So let me go ahead and take this one's off. Oh, here it is. Now I'm going to use the little mirror to take this one's off now that I already have it here, because I do have my other mirror, but it's too big and it might take the whole thing. So Okay, so this one's not broken. Cute, cute, cute. Let me go ahead and take this one's off. Okay, so the first ones I'm doing are the demon, like I said, the awakened demon yellow. I'm going to be showing them yellow. I'm sorry if I pronounced that incorrectly. So I'm going to go ahead and show them really quick. I'm going to pull that little tweezers that they bring, which is super cool. And, ooh, I almost dropped it, girl. This is how they look like. See, I keep dropping them, girl. This is how they look like. They have like a black little line in the middle, and then it has like little veining around that yellow color. So I'm going to go ahead and place them. I don't usually use a little suckle thingy because my eye doesn't like it very much. So I'm just going to place it on my fingers. I did wash my hands, so it ain't a big deal. So let me go ahead and put this on. Woohoo, girl! How do these look? Okay, so I can see that when you have contact lenses that are like this, that have like the little lines, they kind of shift. But this one have kind of like a little yellow mesh on top where your the pupil is, and you know where you focus. So you can really see it's kind of blur. I can see blurry. But they feel really comfortable. I really like these. These are really cute. I don't think that I will be able to use them for like a haunted house or anything like that. Mostly for cosplay, and if I'm like not by myself, because I can't really see that much. But these contact lenses are super cute. Oh my god, they're creepy. They are creepy, I must say. So I'm going to go ahead and take this one's off, and then I'm going to go ahead and jump to the other ones, which are the Hulk green. Okay, so let me take this one's off. Okay, so this ones are off, so I'm going to go ahead and put the Hulk green. So let's go ahead and try this ones. Okay, these are on. Girl! There's something about green. I love green so much. Color green is just amazing. Polly, you hear my dog? She's like, stop making noise. Stop talking to something that's not me. Anyway, so this green ones, oh, I love them. Oh my god, look at that. This green ones are popping. If I do, I'm going to be using my cosplay, my Arachne cosplay for MegaCon. So if you're in the Orlando area and you want to go to the MegaCon convention, I will be there wearing my Arachne spider costume. I'll post a picture here. Yeah, I'll be wearing that costume I made on 2017. I did do some upgrades, so it's looking a little bit different. But these contact lenses will go perfect with Arachne for that skin. I am going to be working on another skin, like that means another version of this cosplay. So yeah, anyway, these ones look amazing. I keep looking at the camera because I can't, girl, I can't take it. They're beautiful. I love it. I'm obsessed. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and take this one's off and try the Glacier Blue. Let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so this ones are, girl, they're super cute. This ones are Glacier Blue, Glacier. How do you pronounce this? Like a glacier? Glacier? Anyways, so yeah, these ones are the Glacier Blue. These are very White Walker kind of feel. These are super cute. I love them, and I can't stop looking at the camera. I'm sorry. I love them, and they're so freaking comfortable. Love it. I've been dying to do also the King of the White Walkers, the Ice King or whatever his name is. I've been wanting to do that makeup on my husband. It's something on my bucket list I will do. I wanted to do Voldemort, and I actually did it. Not too long ago, I did from 2020. I did a Mad Eye Moody cosplay, and I did him as Voldemort. I will post a picture here. So yeah, this is a contact lens video, but then it's also talking about cosplay because I miss cosplay. And I will do a little video of the process of that costume and the makeup. But anyways, these are the contact lenses I got from Ttdeye. Don't forget, Made in Hell 83 at checkout. That discount code will get you 10% off, and it will get me some free stuff, which is super cool, and I appreciate it. And if you love me, hopefully, and if you like my content and you like my videos, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe, engage with me, leave me a comment. Just be nice. Let's all be positive on 2021. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.